Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, tonight I am doing a swipe, and I'm going to be doing it with the Molly recipe. Now that is 70% floetrol, 30% gloss medium for the pouring medium, and then you mix one part paint. I don't even know. I'm just talking out of my butt now. I'll have to go back and check. Pouring medium. So my colors tonight: Pebeo Studio Acrylics in Iridescent Green Blue. We also have ATELIER in Pastel Arctic Blue. We have Golden Quinacridone Magenta. I'm really getting, I love these colors. We also have this little piggy in Ore. It's my gold. My gold cell activator hasn't been doing well lately, so I'm just ixnaying it and putting the gold right into the paint. And I'll put in the description how I mix the pigments, to make paint. And I have these three DECOART Enchanted paints. This one is violet, this one is turquoise, and this one is blue. So we are going to get started. We're on a Master's Touch 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. We have our base coat, which is, this is AMSTERDAM Greenish Blue. Okay, just gonna move this around a little bit. Make sure I've got good coverage. And I'm gonna swipe it off, so I do want to keep quite a bit on to tilt off, which I'm not sure I have enough to tilt off yet. It's kind of a delicate balance, having too much or too little. All right, so I am going to top the bubbles. I might give this a minute or two because I'm sure the bubbles will come up again. So I'm going to be swiping in white, which is Amsterdam Titanium White and Aussie Foetrol. So let's start. This is the Arctic Blue. Yeah, here's Pebeo. And this is the Iridescent Turquoise. And let's see, whoa, over. Iridescent Violet. Whoops, it's not going to matter. This is Quinacridone Magenta. I'm going to put it on this side. And, oh, I want the blue. Where's the blue? This is the blue. Put the blue here too. It's Iridescent Blue. And here. And this is the gold. This is Ore. Sorry, not gold, Ore. There's a difference. Okay, so hopefully this works out well. Hope everybody had a nice New Year's. Just putting, oh geez Louise, putting this on this big palette, and I'm going to pour it back in here. So here we go. Light touch, make contact, and just go really slow. Pretty. I went too fast there. That's okay. That'll probably come off. And I'm going to turn it around and do the same on the other side. Okay. Let me give that another torch. Looks like there's tons of other ones there. Okay. that. I'm loving these colors. I'm kind of getting on a kick with these colors. Okay. Liking it. Although I might put some, I don't like that right there in that corner. Wow, look at that lacing, crazy. I like it like this. So what I'm gonna do is take the rest of this and just go over it like this. It's all taken care of. Oh geez, look what I did. Are you kidding me? Oh. What am I gonna do with that? Oh, it's supposed to be there. Oh, it was a drip of water. Oh. You know what I'm gonna do? Yep. Fixed it again. And I see a bug. Almost looks like a wing over here. Yeah, I see the bug. You know what's really cool is in the center here, I'm not going to use my hands. Well, I'll use my hands in a second after I wipe them. Right here, there's a lot of transparency, which most of these colors are transparent, so that's one of the reasons why I wanted to use them. Yeah, I'm liking it. We're never ever quite finished, are we? Still moving. Holy Toledo. Yeah, I'm liking it. Gotta get, that bug is bugging me. Okay. Stop, enough. I love this part up here. That is so pretty. And then down here too. got the corners really good. And these are a little squiggly, but I kind of like them there. Yeah, that's it, I'm done. And that does look like a wing. Very cool. All right. So I'll take you guys down for a close-up, and I'll show you the dried results when they're finished. Hey guys. So, really? That is some freaky lacing. I just love it. Oh. Yeah, I love these colors together. There's something crawling on me, I think. No, it's just a hair. So this is my favorite part right here. Oh, look at the dimension in that. And is that a bug that went through my painting? Oh no. Oh well. And that looks like a wing right there. That's kind of cool. And I took that side off, but I'm just, all the iridescence in here is so cool. And I love how the white lacing picked up the colors. I love that magenta with the greenish blue. Pretty cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. And Mr. Moth is on his way. Bye now. Hey guys, here is the dried result. So yeah, there was something that definitely was in there. I love the colors, and it dried so beautifully. But see, they just love paint. Yeah. So I don't know if I can fix that or not, but I really love the lacing on this. And yeah, I don't know. I might try this again, but this is just spectacular. I love that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, well, we'll see. Thanks for watching. I think I've been mucking around enough with other techniques. I'm gonna go back to my shadow borders. I must. Yeah. All right.